This season, Aqua Base Outdoors is partnered with Real Power Handles to give you a chance to get some of their high-quality lures. We'll be running discount promotions and free giveaways all season, and today, we're excited to announce a monthly giveaway.
All right, guys, it's time for us to pick our winner. So we're going to go over to our entrants here. You can see that we've got our names here, first name and last. So we have 50 different entries here, actually 49, because the first one's for name. So we're going to go over here to random number generator. We set it up to 49. Let's see what our number is going to be. All right, so our winner is going to be number 35. Let's come back to our tab. All right, and winner number 35 is Dennis H. All right, Dennis H., we're going to get in contact with you. I'll send you an email and get you signed up.
Now, if you guys didn't win this time, don't worry. There's still plenty more chances to win. We'll be doing more monthly giveaways, not only on YouTube, but also on Facebook, so make sure to stay tuned. In the meantime, consider checking out Real Power Handles to help you stock up for the coming season. Whether stocking up for the Cape Cod Canal with stick shads and magic swimmers, or for an offshore trip with butterfly jigs and deep divers. Receive free shipping on your order when using the promo code JACK, J-A-C-K, at checkout. Consider upping your game this season with more power. Try realpowerhandles.com. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, check out our Facebook for more updates and giveaways. We'll be posting some videos from a recent fishing trip and also some more lure giveaways from realpowerhandles.com. Make sure to check out their website. If you guys see something on there you want to see us highlight or give away, just comment that below. I'll respond to each one of those and hope to get some more content out for you guys soon. Thank you so much again and have a great season.